Hi, I'm Thomas Mucha, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how generative AI technologies are changing the way we interact with software applications. More specifically, I will show you how I interact with a web application. First, I will use their traditional interface, where I need to search, click on buttons or drop-downs, and then later I will perform exactly the same task, but with the use of natural language only. So far, we have been interacting with ChatGPT and other large language model-based tools primarily through this type of chat interface. And it seems that this trend of interacting with software through natural language and chat type of interface is becoming more and more common. So now I wanted to show you how this can work in real life with an actual application that is using this type of chat-based interface. So here we have a traditional interface from Zapier. This is an application where we can create automation workflows, so we can connect multiple apps, and this Zapier will be executing certain tasks automatically for us. So I'll give you an example first how the workflow for creating this kind of automation would be done if we are using traditional interface. So here you can see that we actually need to select different things by ourselves rather than just typing in a chat. And so then we will move to another version of this Zapier interface where we can interact with application through natural language. All right. So in this case, let's say that in our company, we are receiving emails from customers who are asking for support, and then these emails are then forwarded to different people. So let's say that I would like to first connect Gmail. So let's say that we are using Gmail for our emails, and whenever I get Gmail, I would like to create a task or specific type of email message. I would like to create a support task in Trello, which is one of the applications for managing tasks and projects. Trello. All right, so when this happens, select trigger. So when a new email matching search comes in, and then this search will be that the new email comes from support mailbox. Then do this. What would we like to do? We would like to create a card. Create a card. So this is going to be an item that will appear in Trello board for our employees to act on. So then I would need to click try it to actually build this application or the workflow that automates the process. All right, so I'm not going to be building this for the purpose of demonstration. Now it's enough that we are able to enter into this creation process. So now let's compare this flow with an alternative where we are using chat-based interface with Zapier. All right, so this is another version of their interface where we can just type. When X happens, then do Y. So in our case, when an email within Gmail, when an email comes from support mycompany.com, then create a Trello card. And that's it. I have described the workflow that I'm trying to create. And here we have it. Create Trello card from emails from support.mycompany.com. So you can see that it was much easier and faster for me to describe with words what I want to get rather than using a click-based and drop-down menus interface. So this type of improvement in terms of interacting with different types of software and applications is, I think, going to become more common. So that's why I wanted to show you, because I think that these are going to be capabilities that are being added to software in many cases. So whether you are on the user side or on the side of a company that is building software products, this is definitely a trend to be aware of. Removing frictions from the interactions between your customers and your products, or between your employees and the tools they use at work, can have a meaningful impact on your business performance. Generative AI technologies potentially have a role to play in that story. With the increasing proliferation of chatbots, we are seeing more and more software tools adopting these types of interfaces. It remains to be seen how commonplace they will become, but there's certainly a business opportunity there.